Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use CJ Dropshipping with eBay. CJ Dropshipping is a platform that allows users to find different products from all over the world and different categories that you can dropship on numerous platforms. And in this tutorial, we'll be integrating CJ Dropshipping with eBay. The first thing you will need to do is go onto ebay.com, and from there you want to create an account. To create an account is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner. From there you will see the option to sign up, and you can sign up using your email address or a Facebook account. Once you have created your account on eBay, the next thing I want you to do is open a new tab, and you're going to go onto cjdropshipping.com. Once on cjdropshipping.com, you want to sign up also. And again, you can use your email address to sign up. Once you have signed up and you have created a password, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you can search for the product or products that you would like to add to your eBay store. So let's say, for example, I would like to add a bag. So I'm going to simply type in bag in the search bar right here. Let me do that real quick. Once you have done that, you can see the different types of bags right here. As you can see, there are numerous options. Once you found one that you like, let's say for example this one right here, all you'll need to do is simply tap on it. Once you have selected the product, it will automatically open a new tab on which you'll be able to get a better look at the product, and you'll also be able to see the images or videos that you can use on your listing, and you will also be able to see the estimated delivery time and process time, as you can see right here. By the way, you'll also get product information, for example, the type of material that has made it, and you could also scroll down and you'll be able to review the different customer reviews and so on about the product, as you can see right here. The next thing I want you to do, at the top menu option, you're going to select My CJ. After you have selected My CJ, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And what I want you to do from here, you are going to scroll down on the left hand menu option, and you are going to select Shop Authorization. Then from there, you are going to select eBay. So we are going to tap on eBay. After you have selected eBay, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And on this new dashboard, you will be able to add your eBay store. You can see that I've added my eBay store right there. All you'll need to do is simply grant it authorization. Once you have done that, you now have two options. You can either add your listing manually, or you can incorporate the products automatically. So to add it manually, all you'll need to do is go back onto ebay.com. From there, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Sell. Once you have selected Sell, you will be redirected to this page. And let's say we wanted to sell bags, so we're going to simply go back onto the listing right here, and I'll simply copy the title. Then I'm going to go back onto eBay, and I'm going to paste the title right here. After you have pasted the title, from there you're going to simply edit it. So I'm going to leave it at women's waist bag right there. Then I'll tap on enter. Then they will show you similar products. If you don't see a product similar to the one that you're listing, all you'll need to do, at the bottom of the page, you're going to tap on continue without match. Then from there you can see select the condition of your product, and you can simply fill out all of this information. All you'll need to do is simply match by simply copy and pasting the information that you have on CJ Dropshipping right here. So we'll simply tap on list an item, and you could simply fill out all of the information right here by simply tapping on continue to listing at the bottom of the page. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to add the product name, and you'll also be able to add the product images, as you can see right here. And you'll also be able to add a product description, as you can see here. So you'll be able to complete your listing right here, and you'll be able to also set up the shipping. All of this information you'll find on the product on CJ Dropshipping, as you can see right here. So all you would need to do is simply copy and paste the information. But let's say you wanted to add it automatically. All you'll need to do, once you're on the product, you're going to tap on list. After you have tapped on list, you would simply go to the top right here, and you're going to see store. You're going to tap right there, and you want to select your eBay store. After you have selected your eBay store, from there you can choose the price that you want. As you can see, the shipping fee and the service fee right here. So we can tap on recommended listing price, or you could type in the price that you would like to use. Once you have tapped on recommended listing price, the next thing you're going to do is tap on list it now. Once you have tapped on list it now, it will automatically list the product on eBay by filling out all of the information. But some of the time I've realized that it does not automatically fill it out. So you will have to go in manually if it doesn't automatically fill out the listing information, and you will need to add it. Once you have added it, whether manually or automatically, now if someone goes onto your eBay store and make a purchase, the way how you will be able to follow up on the order by processing the order is after selecting My CJ at the top again, and once you're on this dashboard, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option again, tap on orders, then from there you'll tap on imported orders. After you have tapped on imported orders, from here you'll be able to see all of the orders that were made on your eBay store. If you don't see a particular order, you'll be able to add it manually. Now to add it manually, and then you're going to tap on create manual orders. After you have tapped on create manual orders, you're going to see the products, and you're going to simply select the product that you have added to your store. So let's say, for example, this product. After you have done that, you're going to tap on add in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on add, you're going to tap on the cart icon. Then from there, you can delete the variants that the customer did not purchase. So you're going to delete all of the variants that the customer did not purchase. Then you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to simply fill in the customer information right here. Once you have filled in the customer information, you're going to tap on confirm in the bottom right hand corner, and you'll be led to the payment page. From there, you can choose whether you would like to pay via credit or PayPal. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.